We're going to do a brief video on Nvidia Stock, NVDA Stock, NVDA. We've got a daily chart here with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. You can see Nvidia's been in a bear market since about it looks like April of 2022 here, and still in a bear market, down today $5 at 3.75% on 12 million shares. 58 million shares is the average daily volume. It's about a little after 10:30, and Nvidia is trading at about $133. Let's take a quick look. I'm going to show you several different charts: an hour chart, a daily chart, a weekly chart, and a monthly chart, and then we'll take a look at some algorithmically generated entry prices. It's real quick on Nvidia. It's no big deal. It's selling off, but it's no big deal. As you can see, Nvidia is in a deep bear market on a daily chart, but it got a good rally, and it also put in a top above this previous top of 136. The high today looks to be about 138-ish and change. So that's a good sign that Nvidia is working its way out of and put in a bottom that might hold on October 13th. So it's working its way out. It's above the 5-day moving average, it's above the 20-day moving average, but it is still in a bear market, and it's important to keep in mind that this just could be a rally getting rid of an oversold condition. I don't know that that's true. It doesn't really necessarily look like it, but it could be. You'll notice this is certainly an oversold rally, and this could be as well. It's got to get up here to the 160 level. It's got this moving average got to come over, and it's got to get across it and get above it. Let's take a look at the weekly chart real quick and see what that looks like. You can see Nvidia came down here. This is a 200-week moving average. It came down here, broke through it, put in a good break on it, and now it's rallying back up. Closed last week above the 200-week moving average, which is a really positive sign. The 5-week moving average is underneath it, but it's still not above the 20-week, and we certainly have to get above the 20-week and close above the 20-week, and ideally the 20-week has to start to flatten out. You'll notice it closed above the 20-week here, but the 20-week was in a steep decline. When you have a steep decline at moving average like that and it closes it above it, that's not a buy signal. So this 20-week needs to flatten out, which is going to take many weeks for that to happen. So I'm still saying that Nvidia is in a deep bear market. Let's scan the monthly real quick and see. We can see that Nvidia has in fact gapped down here a couple weeks ago, very negative, and is not anywhere near the 5-month moving average, and of course the 20-month has gone flat. So still in a deep bear market on this stock. I'd say a little bit of positive. It broke through this bottom, which is not good, but at least it's moving up a little bit here, and this might have been a bottom here. We just have to see what happens. That's probably the October 13th bottom. We'll just have to wait and see, but right now it's not good. Let's take a look at the hourly chart here for Nvidia. This is pretty standard in what's going on with most stocks that I'm looking at. August 25th, it's been below all the time. Now it's coming up and crossing above the 200-hour moving average, this blue line here. That's a positive sign, but at the same time, these are short-term indicators. This is essentially intraday, and you can see it's done it before and continued to sell right off because this is an intraday hourly moving average. It is important because it gives us an idea if the stock's still oversold. The stock is not necessarily oversold anymore, although I easily could see the stock rallying up to 150 and turning right back around and going the other way. So too soon to tell with Nvidia, but today we're getting a small little sell-off that sounds worse than it is, down for almost $5 now, almost over 3.5%. Let's see what RBAM Research says about it. Let's go here and see. We cover this stock, and RBAM Research has got no entry prices today, which is great. The algorithm said don't buy today, and it's down almost 4%. So it hit a good lick on that one today, and we kept us out of that stock. You can get access to all of our entry prices every morning, absolutely no cost, at rbamresearch.com. We put out entry prices for 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all out by 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Free access, no credit card required. Just head over there, follow the link, put in your email address, and get immediate free access. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use our entry prices or commentary for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.